If you're replacing a lift or adding a new one to your shop, you might think that nothing much has changed since you last bought your two-post lift. But the reality is that many innovations have added up to make you and your potential new lift safer and even more productive. Let's start at the end of the swing arm. While most two-post lifts end in a straight line, the pad receiver for this BendPak 10AP lift is stepped down, allowing it to be the lowest profile possible to accommodate a wide range of stackable adapters, such as this two-stage adjustable spin pad. When you put this adapter in the arm, you can see by the stacked height it fits easy under aerodynamic rocker skirts, and this arm adapter also makes you more productive by eliminating the need to perform additional steps to raise the vehicle so you can put the swing arms under the lift points. Moving down the arm, we see another clever engineering advancement. The AP series features triple telescoping nested swing arm design that allows the inner arms to retract fully through the back of the front arm assembly and around the arm pin for the rear arms, maximizing retraction and extension. So what does this mean for the operator? It means the lift can properly access the OEM lifting points to raise a wider variety of vehicles safely and efficiently. Moving down the arm, you notice something that is missing on this 10AP between the arms and the carriage. While all two-post lifts in your shop probably have a piece of steel here, BendPak has eliminated this on the 10AP lifts. By strengthening the arms themselves, BendPak takes away that steel barrier that can get in your way. Looking at where the arm is connected to the carriage, this is another industry first from BendPak, Automatic Swing Arm Restraint System, or ASARS. You have probably experienced a situation on some lifts where the arm shifts due to loading issues or excessive force. ASARS eliminated that issue. Instead of using traditional half-moon gear swing arm restraint systems, BendPak doubled down on everything. ASARS uses 360 degrees of forged steel teeth, 64 teeth to be exact, to deliver 10 times more holding power to prevent backlash, shifting, and play under load. Those are just some of the changes you can see. There are more updates to the latest two-post lift designs that aren't visible. For example, manufacturers have increased the use of high-strength steel in critical load-holding components to improve strength and durability. There have also been major improvements in safety lock systems to make them automatic and easier to use. So when you're in the market for a new two-post lift, don't sleep on new technology and innovative features on the latest models. I'm Andrew Markell, coming to you from the BendPak EV Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.